Now that you have reached your 30s, it's time to start thinking about how to build your wealth. While there are many different options for investing your money, some assets are more reliable and have the potential to generate greater returns than others. While there are no guarantees, investing in certain assets can help you grow your wealth and give you more financial security. Making smart investments in your 30s can set you up for a more comfortable future. Here are 4 things to consider investing in as you approach middle age. Hello everyone! Welcome to Success Wisdom Channel. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will talk about 10 assets to invest in to build your wealth in your 30s. A lot of people think that they are too late to start investing, but that's not true. There are many different options out there for you, and I will break them down for you. So sit back and relax because this is going to be good. First, a 401k or IRA account. When building wealth in your 30s, few assets are more valuable than a 401k or IRA account. These retirement savings vehicles offer several advantages, including tax breaks and the ability to compound over time. Furthermore, 401k and IRA accounts are relatively easy to set up and contribute to, making them an ideal way to start saving for the future. Of course, no single asset is guaranteed to generate wealth. However, 401k and IRA accounts provide a solid foundation for your financial future. By contributing as much as possible during your 30s, you can take advantage of the power of compounding and set yourself up for a comfortable retirement. Second, a house. A house is one of your most important assets when building wealth. Not only does it provide you with a place to live, but it also can be used as collateral for loans and lines of credit. Furthermore, a house typically appreciates over time, providing you with a solid investment that can be used to finance other goals, such as retirement. Of course, buying a house is not without its risks. The housing market is subject to volatility, and there is always a possibility of you owing more on your mortgage than your home is worth. However, if you're careful and disciplined in your approach, a house can be an excellent tool for building wealth in your 30s. Third, education. You'll be better equipped to earn a higher income by increasing your knowledge and skill set. And as your income increases, so will your ability to save and invest for the future. While there are many different ways to invest in your education, one of the most effective is to pursue a higher degree. Whether it's a master's degree, PhD, or professional designation, furthering your education can help you reach your financial goals. A savings account is the 4th asset you can invest to build your wealth in your 30s. A savings account provides a great way to save money and allows you to grow your assets over time. By regularly contributing to your savings account, you can watch your money grow and compound, giving you a solid foundation for building your wealth. Additionally, a savings account is a great way to diversify your assets and protect yourself from market volatility. By saving money, you can weather unexpected expenses or tough economic times without selling off investments at a loss. Therefore, a savings account is essential for building wealth in your 30s. Fifth, mutual funds. Mutual funds are baskets of investments that are managed by professional fund managers. They offer a number of advantages, including diversification, economies of scale, and professional management. For these reasons, mutual funds can be an excellent choice for anyone looking to build their wealth in their 30s. Of course, as with any investment, it is important to do your homework before investing in mutual funds. But for those who are willing to put in the time and effort, mutual funds can be a great way to build your wealth over the long term. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Sixth, annuities. Annuities are contracts between you and an insurance company where you make your regular payments over some time. In exchange, the company agrees to provide you with an income stream during retirement. This can be an attractive option for someone in their 30s looking to supplement their other retirement savings. Unlike other investments, annuities offer guaranteed income, providing peace of mind later in life. And because you make payments into the account over time, annuities can be a more affordable way to build wealth than other options. The seventh is to invest in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is often touted as a viable way to build wealth, and there are certainly some assets in the space that have shown tremendous returns over the past few years. However, it's important to remember that the cryptocurrency market is still very young and volatile, so investing any significant amount of money should only be done after careful consideration and with a long-term view. That said, for those willing to take on the risk, a few cryptocurrencies could be worth considering as part of a long-term wealth-building strategy. Bitcoin, for example, is the largest and most well-known cryptocurrency, and it has seen some impressive price appreciation over the past few years. Ethereum is another popular option that has also seen strong growth, and several other promising projects in the space could also provide good returns over time. Of course, it's important to remember that cryptocurrency is a high-risk investment, so always do your research before investing any money. 8. You can invest assets to build your wealth in your 30s. Stocks and bonds. When building wealth, many options are available to those in their 30s. Two of the most popular choices are stocks and bonds. Both have the potential to provide excellent returns, but they each come with their own unique set of risks and rewards. Stocks tend to be more volatile than bonds, which means they can lose value quickly during market downturns. However, they also have the potential to generate higher returns over the long term. For this reason, stocks are often a good choice for investors with a longer time horizon who can afford to take on more risk. On the other hand, bonds tend to be less volatile than stocks and offer a more predictable income stream. They typically provide lower returns than stocks, but they can still be an excellent way to build wealth over time. And because they are less volatile, bonds can be a good choice for risk-averse investors or have a shorter time horizon. Ultimately, there is no right or wrong answer when choosing between stocks and bonds. The best decision will depend on your circumstances and investment goals. However, both asset classes can be excellent choices for those looking to build their wealth in their 30s. 9. Certificate of deposits. Many people in their 30s still work to build their assets and create wealth. An asset is anything that can be converted into cash. It can be an investment such as a stock or bond, or something you own outright, like a piece of property. One asset that can be beneficial to have in your 30s is a certificate of deposit, or CD. A CD is a savings account that allows you to earn interest on your deposited funds. CDs typically have higher interest rates than regular savings accounts so that you can grow your money more quickly. They also tend to have fixed maturity dates, so you know when your money will be available. This can be helpful if you're saving for a specific goal, such as a down payment on a house or to fund your retirement. CDs can be a great way to build up your assets and create wealth in your 30s. Finally, a business. Owning a business can provide you with a consistent source of income and the potential for high profits. Moreover, a company can be a long-term asset that appreciates over time. If you have the entrepreneurial spirit and the willingness to work hard, owning a business can be an excellent way to build wealth in your 30s. Of course, starting and running a successful business takes time, effort, and capital, so it's not for everyone. But owning a business can be a great way to build wealth and achieve financial security if you have what it takes. Even if you don't have a lot of money saved up yet, there are many things you can do to start building your wealth. Make sure you invest in the right assets and stay disciplined with your spending. These are just a few ideas to get you started. Personalize your plan according to your unique situation. With some hard work and a little luck, you'll be on your way to a comfortable retirement in no time. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.